Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete profiles on Netflix. So in here, I'm going to show you how you can do it on the Netflix mobile. And it might be different steps from while you are doing it on PC or maybe on TV. And here, the first thing is that you need to do is of course launch the Netflix apps on your phone. So let's launch the Netflix app, this one. Okay, so in here, as you guys can see on Netflix, we can add more than one profiles so that you can share your Netflix account with your family members or maybe your friends. And what if you want to delete one of the profiles? So here I'm going to show you two different methods. This is where you are just launch Netflix app. So what you need to do if you want to delete a profile, you can see at the top right corner there's this pencil icon that you can click. Okay, so you can just choose the profile that you want to delete, but you need to know that if you want to delete the main profile, you cannot do that. So in here on my account, this is the main profile. So when you try to see or you want to delete this, there will be no delete option on this main profile. But then if you want to delete another profile, other profiles in here, for example this one, and you can see there will be this delete profile option. So the main profile cannot be deleted, but this one you can delete it. So you can just tap on this and then the profile will be deleted. So what if you already enter the Netflix, or if you already on the Netflix homepage? Let's open Netflix first. Okay, so if you already on the Netflix homepage and you want to delete the profile, you can just go to the My Netflix options at the bottom in here, and under the profile in here you'll see the drop down. You can tap on that, and this is the switch profiles option. So at the bottom you'll see the manage profile, so just tap on that, and here like before, you can just tap on the profile that you want to delete, and at the bottom just tap on delete profile, and if you are confirmed, you can just click on this delete profile, and just like that the profile has been deleted. So that's pretty easy, sorry. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next videos. Bye.